guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video we're starting a Sunday reset. It's pretty late. It is actually 6:30 at night. Just put on some makeup. I just didn't want to get on the camera just bonnet and just looking crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put on this wig, and we're gonna go ahead and head out the door to Target. And if I have time, I'm gonna stop at HEB, which is like our Whole Foods, our Trader Joe type of food here in Texas. So I know we have Whole Foods and Trader Joe's, but nowhere near me. Like nowhere near me. The closest I get to like Whole Foods is our HEB and Sprouts. And then for me, I think Sprouts, yeah, every time I go in there, the produce is not that good. Like it's nowhere near like our HEB is in produce, as well as the meats and all that stuff. Is just really late. Yeah, so let's go. Okay guys, so I'm dressed. I just went ahead and put on this little beanie cap. I don't know who this for. I think it might be for one of my sons. I don't know. It has like a hole right here though. So when I go to Target, I think I want to see if I can find some cute beanies, because that's gonna be my thing for this winter, I think, in fall. But I just went ahead and put on the sweatpants with this top, and then I have these boots on right here, and then I just have my watch on, my Apple Watch. So take y'all off this tripod, and we're gonna go ahead and head out the door because it's getting late. It's like 7:53, so
then you fall back, giving me signs that I've seen before. Yeah, it's cute, but honey, I want more. Don't waste no more time. No, no. There's no use playing hard to get. I figured you out, but you don't know it yet. So take off your mask. Yeah. Just
not sure if I want to pay $119 to keep a cup of coffee hot. No, thank you.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you, then I miss you again. Selfish, asking me so selfish. Spend more time with me than your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you're the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Crutches, I be holding crutches, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude, I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be.
Oh wow, this is some pretty good lighting. This car in front of me has its lights on, but I just left out of Target and I'm about to go to Ross because I really want to see if I can find some cute little aesthetic glasses. So let's go ahead and head on over here to Ross. Ross is like right in the same parking lot, so I could have walked actually, but it's 8:30. So I'm doing good on time. Ross don't close till 10 o'clock. I could have went to TJ Maxx, but I think TJ Maxx is probably about to close if they're not closed.
With you, my highs and my lows, it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus.
Okay guys, so I am back at home and I'm gonna do like a little miniature haul of what I picked up at the grocery store, Target, and where else I go? Ross. Okay, yeah. So guys, here's what I picked up from the grocery store at HEB. I got some ground beef chuck for chili. I got some Bush's chili beans, and some red kidney beans. I got 2 chef salads. I also picked up my fruit from my acai bowls. I picked up some oatmeal cream pies and 3 bananas and some whole grain honey wheat for my avocado toast this week, some chili seasonings, and some Mexican style blend cheese. Also picked up some saltine crackers. Yeah, so this is, oh, and some Valentino sauce. My husband loves this stuff. Anyways, I picked up that from HEB. Oh, and I also got a bouquet of flowers for the week. And I seen this cute little cup there, which I thought it looks like a sweater. Yes, sweater weather, sweater weather. Thank God, sweater weather. So yeah, I got the sweater weather mug, which I thought was super cute. So yeah, so that's what I picked up from so it has everything that I need to do my makeup, which was pretty cool in one set. And I got this from Ross and it was $12.99. Also found these leggings, which were only $9.99. And if you notice on the inside, they're like a fleece material. So they're pleather on the outside and fleece on the inside. I'm not sure if that's how the ones that are at Target, because I did look at them, but I didn't really, you know, feel on the inside. But I know that they have some pleather leggings like these at Target, but they're $18.99. What? Like what? So these right here, that's the booty lifter, hugs your curves in all the right places. So excited to see what they look like. I of course know that they're going to be high water on me because I am almost 5'10". Anyways, I also picked up this set of bamboo cutting boards. So I found this mug, which is my zodiac, which I'm Aquarius. So this is the mug that I found. I told you I wanted to find me a cute little mug for the winter time, I guess. Just aesthetics, for the aesthetics. And this is the only thing that I could find. Like, okay, so here's what I picked up at Target. First of all, can we get into this Dr. Teal's menstrual relief herbal plant complex and essential oil? So this smells so good. Like, it smells so good. Like, it leaves your skin soft. I ended up picking up the foaming bath because sometimes I want the bubbles. Like, it's good to have the Epsom salt and everything, but I wanted some bubbles too. So picked those 2 up. And then I seen someone on, I think, YouTube. I can't remember her name. It's a pretty girl, but she was saying how she bathes with the Olay retinol B3 cleansing and renewing nighttime body wash. So you put this on at night. It has retinol in it, and if you know what retinol does, retinol actually tightens your skin. It helps with hyperpigmentation and stuff like that. I usually use retinol on my face. Well, I just started back anyways, but retinol on my face. So that's pretty dope. I also picked up a milk frother and it's in this matte black color, which was cute. Like I say, I want the aesthetics for my coffee. I'm allergic to chocolate, so I don't eat chocolate. Chocolate actually breaks me out pretty bad in the face. And so I picked up this caramel Ghirardelli, I think that's how they said it, Ghirardelli. And then I'm trying this new creamer that I've used for the first time. It's sweetened cream. It is plant-based. It's an oat milk creamer. I've never used oat milk. I always use almond milk. So let me see. It only has 30 calories per serving in it, which is pretty good. I also picked up my staple. I eat at least four acai bowls a week. So that's why I got that fruit and stuff. I'm almost out of my concealer, so this is the concealer that I use, which is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel in the color Tan Neutral. And I also bought the Color Stay eyeliner in black. It's a 24-hour eyeliner. And I picked up some granola. This is my first time getting this brand. My office slash my editing desk, and this is basically a calendar, a monthly calendar. It doesn't have the year or anything on it, but I thought this was so cute for just $12. Like, what? It was just super cute. This whiteboard, this loungewear set that I found, which was, oh, I love this color. This is it's so pretty. I think it's gonna be so pretty on my skin tone. And it's just loungewear, just for something around the house. I can put like a flannel over it if I want to. And yeah, so I told you I wanted to pick up some beanies. This is the only one that I saw. It was $10, which I thought was ridiculous. Yeah, it should have been about maybe $8. I would think, but $10 was a little stretch for this. But I think it's super cute. It's actually gorgeous on this against this color. But yeah, turn it around. So that's all that I got. I feel like I just talked up a season. We should be in January by now. How much I just finished talking. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog right here, and I'll go ahead and catch y'all back. I'll catch back up with y'all later during the week. But yeah, for tonight I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. It's 11:30 at night, so yeah, we're gonna go close it out. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you made it all the way to the end of this video. I would love to have you here as I don't know what to call y'all, a friend. Have y'all over as a friend. Y'all just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out, y'all.